Welcome, in front of me is a POCO F7 and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So we're gonna get started by pulling down our notification and looking for this icon, which will be added by default, so like a chain link. Once you see it, hold it the first time around, which will quickly take you to the settings, and here you want to select set up portable hotspot and start off by changing your password, as it is a randomly generated password. You can see right here. So I do recommend just getting rid of it and then just typing in your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters, numbers, doesn't really matter. Make sure you click on the check mark right there to save the changes, and then close this up, find the toggle once again, and simply tap on it whenever you want to use it. That's all you will need to do. Now once you're done using it, you can turn it off by tapping on the toggle once more. Now Hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery, so once you're done using it, it is recommended to just try to remember about it. In any case, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.